here working on an exhibition called Beautiful Connection, which basically is using art for art's sake and kind of using that as satirical reference for electromagnetic field information. I sometimes feel like, or our studio basically feels like, there's not too much parameters created with cellular technology today. So we're using art to kind of throw little subliminal messages in there.
Because I like to think. I like to read. I'm into freedom of speech and freedom of choice. I'm the kind of guy who likes to sit in a greasy spoon and wonder, gee, should I have the T-bone steak or the jumbo rack of barbecue ribs with the side order of gravy fries? I want high cholesterol. I want to eat bacon and butter and buckets of cheese, okay? I want to smoke a Cuban cigar the size of Cincinnati in a non-smoking section. I want to run through the streets naked with green jello all over my body reading Playboy magazine. Why? Because I suddenly might feel the need to, okay, pal?